Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Keyword Surfer for fast SEO research. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Keyword Surfer for fast SEO research, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Keyword Surfer. Locate the Keyword Surfer extension in the search results. Click on the extension to view its details. Press that Add to Chrome button. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to install it. After installation, you will see the Keyword Surfer icon in the upper right corner of your browser. Now, go to google.com to start using the tool. When you perform a search, Keyword Surfer will automatically display keyword metrics on the right side of the page. You will see search volume, CPC, and related keywords instantly. To explore further, click on the Keyword Surfer icon. A sidebar with additional keyword insights will open. Use this data to identify valuable keywords for your SEO strategy. You can also check the keyword volume based on different regions. Simply change your region in the settings if needed. Keyword Surfer also allows you to analyze top ranking pages for your selected keywords. Click on any of the organic results to see more insights. This will help you understand your competition and refine your content strategy. Utilize the information provided by Keyword Surfer to enhance your SEO research. By following these steps, you can effectively connect with Keyword Surfer for accelerated SEO insights. Start incorporating this tool into your workflow today. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.